Now this is coming up to 45 minutes, but you know, again, we did a lot inside of here, but I did want to show you, like I said, from start all the way to finish. And now see, it's writing it, it's doing it. And all I'm going to do from there, see, it's removed. So now let's go to deploys and let's go trigger deploy site. Oh, look at this. I think it, okay, I don't even know. I don't know why it says starting up, but I'm just going to deploy it anyway. This is how I understand it works. And there's a lot of stuff here that I haven't gone into because this is only my second site that I've done on Netlify. But it says waiting for your other deploys from your team to complete, check the queue. Okay, that's fine. Because I am on a free version, so it only does one thing at a time. Now notice here, it did push this through. It did not do this for me the last time when I did a site. So I don't know, that's actually pretty cool that it just deployed it automatically. That did not happen to me last time. So I will have to dive into that and see, maybe there's something I hit in the deploy settings to do automatic continuous deployment. Oh, maybe that's what this was here. Configuration for continuous deployment, manage repository. Yeah, it's probably something over here that I did where it said do it as continuous. But I do believe that there is one where you don't have to have that. I will just have to dive in here. But like I said, this is all this stuff is new, right? This is all new. We're all learning together. But the thing is it saves so much time that I do think it's absolutely worth it to kind of go through all these other things that you have to go through to figure it out. Because like, look, now we're 45 minutes, like done. This is done. I just have to add the pixels in. And I'm just going to do that through Google Tag Manager. And I can start running ads. So let's see your pages that you've created with Bolt.new or Lovable. By the way, you can also use Replit as well. And I'm sure there are a plethora of other SaaS that you can also go out there and create your web pages like this. These just happen to be the ones that I'm using.